Microsoft today announced that its Scareware Blocker feature for Microsoft Edge browser is now enabled by default on most Windows and Mac devices. Edge is changing how we protect people from scareware scams. Scareware scams are designed to panic you. They show up as full-screen alerts claiming your device is infected, play loud alarms, and trick you into calling fake tech support numbers or paying for fake fixes. These scams target everyone, especially older adults who don't realize what's happening. The Scareware Blocker uses a local AI model that runs right on your device, comparing full-screen pages against thousands of known scams. The best part? It's enabled by default on most Windows and Mac computers with 2 GB of RAM and 4 CPU cores, so you're already protected without doing anything. Everything happens locally on your device, no screenshots sent to the cloud, no data shared. Your privacy stays protected while you get real-time protection. As of November, Edge 142 introduces the Scareware Sensor. When Scareware Blocker detects a suspicious page, this sensor instantly alerts Microsoft Defender Smart Screen in real time, which then blocks that scam globally for all users. Microsoft stated that during testing, Scareware Blocker caught scams hours or even days before traditional blocklists could detect them. Without the sensor, about 30% of targeted users saw the scam before Smart Screen blocked it. With the new system, Smart Screen now blocks scams after they've reached only about 5% of targets. And here's what's powerful: each user who reported a scam protected an average of 50 other users. Your feedback directly helps shield millions of people worldwide. First, make sure your Edge is updated to version 142. Now, to enable the Scareware Sensor, click the three-dot menu and select Settings. Click Privacy, Search, and Services. Click Security. Find Scareware Blocker. And toggle on Share Detected Scam Sites with Microsoft Defender Smart Screen. The Scareware Sensor is disabled by default for now, but Microsoft plans to enable it automatically for users who have Smart Screen turned on. When a scareware page tries to load, Edge detects it, exits full screen mode automatically, stops aggressive audio, and shows you a warning with a thumbnail of what tried to attack you. You get 2 choices: continue if you think it's safe, or close the page. Even if you disable the sensor, Scareware Blocker still works as expected. And if you encounter a scareware scam, report it. Your feedback helps protect dozens of other people. If you manage devices for an organization, Microsoft added an enterprise policy so you can configure Scareware Blocker on your desktops and add internal resources to an allow list. This gives you the control and flexibility your organization needs. So update your Edge browser today and get this latest feature. With this system in place, most people will never even see these scams. They'll just be blocked automatically. Stay safe out there. Check out my other videos on my channel and do like and subscribe.